How to make an image move in Canva. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your page on Canva and select the page you want. Then go to Elements and search for the video you want. As you can see, I'm searching for moon. Select the video that is free. Drag the image. Customize the size. You can also add transition. Simply resize the video. After resizing it, simply you can lock the video as well. Or you can simply click on Set Video as Background. After that, you can add any stickers or pictures you want in here. And that's how to make an image move in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.